I came to the mechanical workshop to find out some things today. That is why I'm here. Look around. You know, say here is mechanical workshop. Here is mechanical workshop. Many different motors are here. So I'm here today to find out what is going on in some engine. And I've met one of the engineer here. His name is Ebu God. So he's in charge here. So I'm coming. Camera, come back. So he will tell us how things work here and how things work in engine. I'm coming.
Uh, this this engine now, this is the one of the top cylinder on that vehicle, and now we have found out an issue on the top cylinder. Now this top cylinder, look inside, you see there is something called valve seal. Can you see that how this valve seal is moving together with the valve?
Yes.
Is not supposed to move with the valve. Immediately we open the valve, we saw that the valve seal is moving together with the valve like this,
Okay.
and it's not supposed. And look at this one. This is how it's supposed to move. Supposed to only the valve is supposed to
Okay.
be moving.
Okay.
Only the valve is supposed to be moving
Moving alone.
alone, not together with the
Okay.
valve
This one
seal.
is coming up with valve cell.
Yes, coming out with
Why?
that. And as it's coming up with the valve seal, then oil will be entering into the valve
Okay.
down to the cylinder. That
Okay.
is why it's producing smoke at the exhaust.
Okay.
So this is what is called valve seal. That is how it works.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Now, as you can see, the engineer has been educating us how things work inside the top cylinder. So we're still on it. Thank you.
Water dey leak for there small small.
But it's not leaking now.
The nice dey no leak now. I feel say water don finish for that return because the way if e cold.
Now that's why they tell you the crankshaft they make noise seriously. Eh? So you know the motor no fit accelerate very fine that time, you no fit climb hill. And if you dey force am make e climb hill, the only way wey dey that crankshaft go dey make noise.
Very well. So from 5 years now the market is closed. I mean let me check the floor.
So there's nothing you go manage am until you change it, you get money.
Let me check the floor. Man say when I was in manager, making it 200,000. Somebody say na 220. A lot of international
That is the reason why I tell you 250 is that that 250 we are going to buy other things. The engine itself is 220. Then we're going to buy other things so we take complete them. So that's why it's around that 250. So the engine is not well there.
Thank you. Can you just show your face well?
Yeah.
This is an engineer and he's teaching us how the valve work
Valve to
in the
works in
engine.
engine. That is how it works.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, very well. You
Thank
are
you.
welcome. You are
Thank
welcome.
you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this as you can see, this is the top cylinder, as we explained last time, showing you about the things from the engine that is disturbing